Hey guys, welcome back to Asalted Car Nut, and in this video we are doing something great. We are building a remote, we are building a Bluetooth phone controlled RC car. So we'll be building one from we'll have to assemble the parts and all that. And I got it from Fly Robo. I'll link it in the description. And yeah. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this package. This is the website and this is the box. So let's get unboxing. Don't want to break anything, but it's not replaceable. I'm struggling a lot opening this package. So we just rip it open. I don't know. Yeah, finally we opened it. Now yeah, we opened it. Straight diving in, and it's like this, and that I know it's not that great packaging before you say, but the parts look kind of premium from the thermocol. So let's just go this. Okay, here's the wires and the Arduino. Here are all the parts. The wheels. 2, 3, 4. Then we got a Arduino board here. Another chip here. And another board here. Whatever it is. Okay, it's 4-wheel drive. It's 4 gears here, more gears. And there's a battery given with the battery connector. So I'm not a technical expert and not that much knowing about these things. These are some connectors and more connectors. Okay, yeah, let's try to kind of build something. And by the way, this is the chassis. We're gonna do it. Don't worry, guys. Let's dive in. This is a HC05N Bluetooth module. Then this is a thing you connect from the Arduino board to the PC. So I think you can get the code from that. This is a motor drive.